Here we are discussing Ohm's law. Ohm's law is, it's a basic law in electricity. So for all the cases, this is the major property. It's a electricity in this. And next one, Ohm's law is useful to find the relation between potential difference and current. So this is the major purpose of this Ohm's law. Potential difference is, it's a V, and current is what? This is I. Okay. So let us see. First one, current density. Just in before slide we discussed about it. So current density is J is equals to NEVD. VD is the drift velocity. It's a drift velocity. And N is number density. This is number density. Yes. Now J is equals to NEVD. Okay. So first from these I'm talking about VD is equals to J by NE. Okay. So VD means what? So VD, so from here I'm talking as this, from mobility, mu is equals to VD by E. So it's the magnitude of that, the ratio between drift velocity and electric field. VD is equals to mu into E. Here we are talking this VD is equals to, VD means what? Mu into E is equals to J by NE. So next one, mu NE and E is equals to, it's a J. So this is what? This is the sigma. Sigma is conductivity. It's a conductivity. Conductivity is the reciprocal of resistivity. So from here we can say this, J is equals to sigma into E is another form of Ohm's law. So this is what? Another form of Ohm's law. So J is equals to sigma into E. Yes. So now I am continuing with this. Now first one I am talking about, this is what? J. J is equals to sigma into E. Yes, J means what? I by A, and sigma is 1 by rho. So E is equals to dV by dL. Now I am substituting, this is what? dV by dL. Okay. So now this is what? dV is equals to, now you bring the terms here, I rho dL by A. Okay. So dV is equals to I times of rho dL by what? A. So V is equals to I rho L by what? It's A. So this is what? I rho, this is what? It's a L. Okay. So rho into L by A is called, resistance. So this is what? Resistance. Resistance is denoted by R. So finally we can say V is equals to I into R. Okay. So V is potential difference, I is the current, and R is what you say? Rho L by A.